Released at this year's Watches and Wonders, the Panerai Submersible QuarantaQuattro introduces a 44mm case size to the regular submersible lineup. Except for a gold special edition model, the Submersible has only been available in a hulking 47mm case, and more recently, a far more reserved 42mm. So the new versions are going to fit a lot more wrists, with the presence the Submersible line deserves, without straying too far into action star territory. Now that we've established the Goldilocks size, let's dive into the details. Well, the brushed stainless steel case stays faithful to the original design language of the Submersible series. With its cushion shape, its wide lugs, and its unidirectional all-steel timing bezel, it's bulkier than the classic Luminor case profile. This one's a true diver, rated to a depth of 300 meters, but it keeps a pretty reasonable height of just 13.3 millimeters. This one also utilizes the familiar oversized crown guard, a trademark Panerai design cue. The screw-down caseback also aids in water resistance and features an engraved design of two divers piloting a submersible vehicle. So the big, bold Panerai tool watch vibes are all there, just in a more manageable package for a wider range of wrist sizes. The new steel QuarantaQuattro, which literally translates to 44 in Italian, comes in two dial variants, the traditional black and a very attractive matte white. Now again, classic details are everywhere, with a big, partially skeletonized sword handset, a small sub-seconds dial at 9, and luminous indices that glow a bright green, except for the minute hand and bezel pip, which are rendered in a cool blue. The date at 3 is color matched to the dial and provides some visual balance to the overall look. The white dial features all black text and hands for great contrast, while the black version gets some bright pops of color with accents on the text and sub-seconds hand in that bold submersible blue. The automatic Panerai P900 movement is hidden behind that solid caseback, but it's definitely up to the task with its rugged Inca block shock-protected movement. It runs at a rate of 28,800 vibrations per hour, and it has 23 joules, and the previously mentioned date and small seconds, and a power reserve of 72 hours, the exact length of a long weekend. The new models actually come with two straps as standard, a high-quality accordion-style rubber, and a stitched version made of partially recycled fabric. Both fit the overall aesthetic really well, with the black version getting black rubber and grey fabric, while the white model comes equipped with military green straps. For more information on pricing, be sure to check out the description below. And while you're there, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest watch reviews and content right here on the Time+Tide channel. Hey, thanks for watching.